Hey guys, welcome back. Hope everybody's having a great day. Got some great music to share with you guys today. I'm really thankful that I have this time with you guys, and today we're going to get into a reaction on Morissette Amon. She's actually from the Philippines. She's 24 years old, and when I was reading up on her, she got her start on a show, I think it was called Star Factor. And when she was on that show, she was like, I think the runner-up, so she was close to winning, and that was like the start of her big look, and she got a lot of attention from that. She went on to do some acting, and she's just really been doing her thing. She was recommended by one of you guys, one of my subs, and I'm so thankful to you for sharing her. I know that he mentioned that she's really amazing with her voice. So right now we're gonna get into the reaction for Morissette Amon, and it's Fly Like a Bird. It's a cover of Mariah Carey's song Fly Like a Bird. So let's take a look, and I want to see what y'all think of her. I think that's like one of her producers, or her producer and her music director or something in there with her.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. Know my heart and struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love, the one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. Need the strength, you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home.
Oh my God, what a beautiful voice.
How can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality? If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. Need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you'll come and carry me home.
Oh, it's crazy. She has these places where she sounds just like Mariah.
I need you right now. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up. What God's love you survive. Fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you, love, roll like me high. Please don't let the world
Get it, girl. Goodness, she was just amazing. So that was a reaction for Morissette Amon, and that voice, oh my goodness, her vocal range, just like how she could hit those high notes and it seemed so effortless. I was just getting chills throughout. Every time she would start singing about the song and just hitting different notes, it was just amazing. And if anybody's ever heard that original song from Mariah Carey, first of all, Mariah's a super diva just in her skills and her singing. And for this girl to deliver that in such a great way was such an amazing thing to see. I just want to say thank you, Jay, so much. Thank you for everybody who is sharing artists with us. Just share some more beautiful artists. Let me know who y'all finding out there. Let me know what you thought of Morissette Amon. Share it down below in the comments and make sure you subscribe. And I can't wait to see you guys next time.